Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Toyota Tundra. Stock number is A6796. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have 20-inch alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. We have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed liner. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Tundra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.